In the middle of eastern Washington is a little town, and just east of that town is a gravel road. And flowing along that gravel road is a spring creek, and in that spring creek are trout. Big trout. In the depth of winter, when the memories of my last fall trip start to fade, that's when I think of going to this place. When the lakes are frozen and the rivers closed, the spring creek is always flowing. It's by no means a solitary place. There's docks, parking lots, outhouses, bridges, and people. The trout aren't wild. Their fins are worn from growing up in a hatchery. Their bodies show the hardships of being pressured by many anglers. Sometimes, I start to feel a sliver of guilt that these aren't wild fish, that these aren't as good as other fish, that I didn't work hard enough to get here.
Are we doing it from the bridge?
Yeah, that way we can see it.
This side had the best.
Of course.
Nice stand bottom.
I guess the question is, when you gotta land it, you go over to the edge there. You go off the edge of the bridge there. You should be able to get down.
Yeah, down.
Getting wet.
Can I get around there? Down to the big rock. Of course, now there's nobody over here. You know, so that's 1, 2. There you go. Oh! I thought he sucked it in.
Look, he's coming back, Let it.
He's looking for it. Oh, wait. Somebody take it. Come on! Somebody wants it. Come on, I know you guys are hungry.
Look, here comes another one.
He's really interested. Oh, come on, don't push him off.
Chasing him away.
That guy right there, the one that's opening his mouth, he's a cyclist. He wanted that bad. He's looking. He's like, where'd it go?
Oh. I love how he charged it. Nuts!
Do it again.
Nuts factor! Nuts!
Yeah.
Maybe we need to sharpen that.
As I think about many fishing trips, each one has a different purpose. At times, it's about exploration and solitude. Other times, it's about a hatch. Sometimes, it's about catching a lot of fish. And sometimes, it's about just catching one. But I think for me, this spring creek is about friendship, about being together and sharing the experience of trying to catch a fish.
Yeah! Yep.
when I get that big fish on the end of my line, I stop thinking and just enjoy the moment.
Eat it, yeah, yeah.